Hey, let's get it done. In studio. Hello my people, this is Stuart Smith from STUARTIZM Designs. Finally in studio. Now I've been sick since I got back from Blood Manor and fighting the pink dragons, but now that those dragons are hiding behind the trees and I'm kind of, got my brains back, we're gonna conquer on Stinky's Haunted House. Stinky's is a non-profit. The proceeds go to pay for food for the hungry. So we're proud to be part of that. We have a relationship with Troy Philpott. And so these canvases are being done for that very purpose. So hey, let's get them done. We've got 3 or 4 to do. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the start to finish. Please subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.